it sort of opened my eyes to the options that we actually do have with the Iaith Gymraeg and how to promote it that we probably overlooked previously. It's not anything that you necessarily have to have a big documents and implementation for it. It's just something that you can start doing. It's something that we've been doing bits of before, but I think what the course definitely did was give us some of the tools and ideas how you can grow the language out from what you're doing currently.
Dwi'n meddwl nath y cwrs just roi bach o push iddyn ni I wneud pethau mwy sort of hwylus efo'r Gymraeg, I wneud o mwy sort of accessible I pawb, a I ddangos bod sy'n, just ddim am reolau, just defnyddio'r iaith.
In the past, we've always been speaking about Cymraeg in terms of ability, rather than just in terms of it's something that for all of us, it's something we have, it's something we could use, it's something we can all use more of. I think in a recent press release we put out, if everyone in Wrecsam used diolch once a day, that's 134,000 uses of the Welsh language just with one word in one day. Imagine if we start introducing 2 or 3 words.